National Unity Party is a political party in the Philippines. The party was formed in 2010 by former members of Lakas-Kampi CMD who broke away after internal discontent within the party. Since 2016, the party is part of the PDP Laban-led coalition in the House of Representatives, the Coalition for Change. The party was accredited by the Commission of Elections as a national party in a resolution dated October 5, 2011. On September 26, 2012, the party held its first national convention, where they announced support for Team Noy for the 2013 elections. However, most NUP members ultimately supported the United Nationalist Alliance, especially Garcia. According to the party's constitution, NUP's principles include the following: belief in God, sovereignty of the state, national interest and democracy, social justice and responsibility, and environmental awareness. The party has not put up candidates in Senate elections since its foundation. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.